Sometimes I'm asked, where should I look when my partner is returning the serve? So in other words, I'm the one already at the non-volley zone line, my partner is returning. Should I turn around and look while they're returning, or should I keep my eyes straight forward? I'm sure there's some different theories on this, but I like to turn around and actually watch my partner return for a couple of reasons. First of all, it's a really good habit to get into to always watch the ball. When the point starts getting faster and faster, you want to make sure that you're watching the ball the whole time, and it really starts with the serve and the return. The second reason I like to turn around and watch is that I can really base my movement on where my partner hits the return. So if they return down the line to the person straight in front of them, then it's much easier for me to poach, or at least make my presence known by taking the middle of the court. If my partner returns cross court, then if I try to go to the middle, I'm more likely to get past, so I actually stay put and wait for my partner to join me at the net. So basing my decision on where my partner hits the return is a really good idea, and allows me to sort of intimidate the opponents and just play higher percentage pickleball.